before a party, we have a ritual that we perform before every episode. So, here it is. Shazam, bitches!
Yeah. Oh, shit. Never mind. We can't do it just yet.
Why?
We're not going to redo it, man.
Hey, what's up?
Yo, man. How's it going, bro?
Pretty good.
Oh, my room's this way.
Alright.
Well, you got my money?
There you go.
Alright. Just throw me 10, dude.
Alright.
Sesame's worth it. Hey, Cliff, you got any tissue?
Oh, yeah, I got some tissue.
Oh, cool. Cool beans.
Right here, dude.
Well, it tastes like shit.
Hey, we got another episode going.
Actually, I don't understand why the bitches complain.
You have to tell me about it sometime.
Okay, well, on with the ritual.
More party biathlon. First ever. Rules, very simple. Chug a beer and smoke a cigarette. Whoever goes past us. Music. Fuck yeah. Always biathlon. Biathlon.
Let's podcast.
God.